salesman. Hello, I'm Bob the tomato, and I'm Larry the cucumber. Hey, you're not Bob. I'm Bob. What are you doing here? Oh man, we just want to help things out. We wanted to do a show, and Dave and the Giant Pickle. Well, what kind of show you got? Well, Jerry, what's the show called again? The Englishman went up the hill and came down with all the bananas. Well, okay, go. Roll film. And that's the end of part 1.
All right, start
Part 2 now. What about part 2? It will take a while.